Thanks for joining my quick free training on 3 secrets to self-publishing a children's book that is profitable even before it goes to print. I'm Michaela. I'm a children's book publishing and marketing consultant, children's book author, and I'm also the host of the Children's Book Marketing Podcast. Now, publishing a children's book for me has been a game changer. My children's books have been used to help teach and inspire kids to understand ordinal processes, safety, and choosing the right tools for the right job. Acknowledgments from parents and educators have helped me really affirm the author journey because it's brought families closer together. Plus, the sales that have resulted from building a brand around my books have been a great way to supplement what I do as a business owner with my life as a homeschool mom. So why a children's book? If you want to bring to life for a child stories that are culturally relevant, one of the best ways to do that is by creating a children's book. If you want to support a child's academic, social, and emotional development, a children's book is an awesome way to do that. Also, when you publish a children's book, you inspire for a child an early love for literacy. And we all know that readers are leaders, both in the classroom and in our society. So whether it's your aim to inspire, impact, or create an additional stream of revenue, publishing a children's book can become part of a legacy that supports your family today and for many years to come. Now, who should tune in to this quick training and pay close attention? This is for you if you're a parent, educator, or business owner that wants to represent stories that you feel belong in the world in front of children. This is for you if you're someone who's willing to grow and commit to bringing about the kind of change in children's literature that you want to see. And you're open to the possibilities and the doors that get opened as a result of doing so. And if you're ready to take an idea that you have or a manuscript for a children's book and take it through the publishing process so that you're profitable before you even go to print, then you'll want to grab something to write with and take notes. These 3 secrets are going to go fast, so make sure you're ready, okay? Secret number 1 is to lead with a plan that solves a problem. In order to solve a problem, you have to know who is being affected by the problem and how the problem is affecting them. This leads you to identifying your ideal reader and finding the best ways to relate to them through the content that you create in your books, with the themes of your story, and in all of the outreach that you make to connect with them. You'll want to cast a very narrow focus toward reaching your ideal reader because let's be honest, you're not writing your children's books for everybody, and everybody is not your ideal reader. If you try to reach everybody in the process, you will reach nobody at all. Secret number 2, develop a clear impact objective. This is how you plan to leave your mark on your readers. Based on what you understand about who your ideal reader is, the best ways for you to take the story that you've created and build additional experiences that carry them beyond the book are where you should spend a lot of your time and energy. For example, my children's books are a story about a father and son who spend the day together going through a list of household things to do. Some of the merchandise that we use to bring the story more closer to home and to give parents and kids an opportunity to spend more time together is by introducing puzzles, printables, and personalized pencils that help kids gain confidence with their writing skills at the same time that they're learning a few things about having fun together around the house. I've had clients who have created something that's more in alignment with their stories, like plush toys or a line of backpacks. As well, I've had clients create workshops that make it possible for kids to bring alive the concepts in a very unique, hands-on way. I've had clients create paper dolls. I've had clients create crafts, and even coloring books. All of these things help to supplement their income from selling books, but also helps to carry the reader's experience beyond the books. Secret number 3 is to pre-sell before you print. The trick is not absorbing too much cost up front without having a clear understanding of how you will meet those costs and expenses. Completing the illustration process alone can be quite an expense. To get things paid for up front before you send your books to the printer is one way to ensure your success as a children's book author because you lock in your profitability from the start. For example, when I released my children's books, I did so with a pre-sale blitz using a crowdfunding campaign. Not only did that help generate the first 2 years of printing and marketing expenses, but it also gave my community a whole new understanding for what it means to me to have their support. So just to recap, those 3 secrets are to lead with a plan to solve a problem, create a clear impact objective, and pre-sale before you print. Now, if I might add just one more secret, because I know that was a lot, here it is. You don't have to do all of that alone. If you know that you need support, I want to invite you to my upcoming masterclass. The masterclass will be live, and during that time, I'll go deeper into each of these areas and more. We'll also complete an exercise to help you start building a clear picture of who your ideal reader is and to identify some of the best ways and places to sell your children's books. If you're ready to self-publish and launch your children's book, and it may be the first of many, meet me in the masterclass. Click below to secure your seat, and I'll see you soon.